Hello friends, good morning and Jai Shri Krishna. Now Hitesh bhai asking me some question. Please listen us talking.
What's your name?
My name is Charvi.
How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
In which college do you study?
Now my admission process is rearing and that I am not going to tell.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
At what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. because I am night owl.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you like to listen music?
Yes, I like to listen to music.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Ek Zindagi.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I like to swim.
What time do you eat for dinner?
I eat only khichdi for dinner.
Do you have a pet dog?
No, I am no pet dog.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate is my favorite ice cream flavor.
Who lives with you?
I live with my parents.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I like to go to the park.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like motivational movies.
Uh, what do you do? What do you do in your free time?
I help my mother in kitchen and read books.
Do you like to cook?
No, I don't like to cook.
What is your favorite vegetable?
Cucumber is my favorite vegetable.
Do you like any type of juice?
Yes, I like apple juice.
Do you like to drink milk?
Yes, I like to drink milk.
What sports do you like to play?
I like to play cricket.
What do you like to buy?
I like to buy many clothes.
Do you like to play computer games?
No, I don't like to play my computer games.
Do you have a cell phone?
Yes, I have cell phone.
What makes you very happy?
Uh, when I talking with my mother, I feel happy.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy today.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like food.
Are you good at mathematics?
Yes, I am good at mathematics.
Do you like to help others?
Yes, I like to help others.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be become a, I want to be become a nurse.
What kind of mobile do you want?
I want an iPhone.
What do you want to get for your birthday?
I want to get some wonderful gifts for my birthday.
What is the weather like today?
Today's weather is sunny.
Do you like holidays?
Yes, I like holidays.
Do you like festivals?
Yes, I like festivals.
Which festivals do you like?
I like Diwali the most.
Can you sing?
No, I can't sing.
Okay. Are you worried about anything?
Yes, I am worried about my future.
What is your goal about your future?
I want to become a nurse. I want to become nurse as in English.
What do you usually do on your weekends?
I usually sleep and watching movies.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing cricket.
What is your favorite movie type?
I I I I like to the most movie is motivational movies.
What kind of music do you like to listen?
I like to listen motivational songs.
Which is your favorite food?
Chocolate is my favorite.
Okay. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I don't like to do.
How do you relax after a long day?
I relax by sleeping.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Because I am night owl.
What do you do for your breakfast?
I only take a milk.
What do you do during your lunch break?
I I usually take roti and sabji.
Do you exercise daily?
No, I can't exercise daily.
How many hours of sleep do you get every day?
I every day get 7 to 8 hours to sleep.
What is your typically daily schedule?
Typically, I wake up after taking breakfast, going to English tuition, after take a lunch, In afternoon I sleep. In evening I help my mother, and at night I help my brother in study, and I after I sleep.
Do you prefer to be an early bird or night owl?
I prefer a night owl.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
What is his name?
My brother's name is Bhavya.
What is your relationship like with your parents?
My relationship with my parents are very good and kind.
Do you have a large or a small family?
I have a large family.
How often do you see with your friends?
I usually I meet my friends in a month.
Uh,
Once.
what qualities do you value in a friend?
I want to loyalty.
How important is family for you?
Um, my family is my everything.
What do you do for your family gatherings?
I can't like family gatherings.
Do you live in a house or a apartment?
I live in a house.
What would you change about your home?
I would change nothing.
Do you have any pets?
No, actually I don't like animals.
How do you spend your free time at home?
I spend by watching movies and some watching some reading books.
What kind of atmosphere do you want in your home?
I want to I want to peaceful environment.
Do you like to entertain the guests at home?
No, I don't like.
What is your favorite room in your home?
My room in
Do you have a garden or a balcony?
no, I have no garden but a balcony.
How do you decorate your home?
I don't decorate my room.
How often do you use your smartphone?
I usually use my smartphone in a day 1 to 2 hours.
Are you addicted to your phone?
No, usually not at all.
Okay. How do you use social media?
I use social media for reading some motivational thoughts and stories.
Do you prefer to read books or e-book?
I prefer to read books.
What apps do you use the most in your mobile?
I usually use YouTube the most.
How has the technology changed your life?
Technology change our life, makes our daily life easy.
Do you watch TV regularly?
No, I can't watch TV regularly.
Do you play video games?
No, I can't play video games.
Thank you.
Thank you.